Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and greetings to everyone. I'm the Secretary of the Ziltin Surplus Police Unit of Bekasi City, respective heads of division, heads of section, functional officer, and field coordinators, and all meeting participants. First of all, let us express our gratitude to Almighty God for His blessing and grace, allowing us to gather today in good health and high spirits to attend this weekly meeting. Allow me, as a moderator, to guide today's meeting. The agenda for today will consist of three sessions. The first one is opening remarks by the Secretary of Civil Service Police Unit of Bekasi City. Number two is weekly report presentation. And last one is question session and maybe report presentation by field coordinator or functional officer. Before we proceed to the first agenda, we would like to invite the Secretary of Bekasi City Civil Service Police Unit to deliver her remarks. To Mrs. Amsia, time is yours.
Thank you, Miss Adija. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Head of Division of Section Head, functional position with commander and all personnel of the Bekasi City Public Order Agency present on honor. Let us offer praise and gratitude of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the Almighty God, for by His grace or mercy we are still given health, strength, and safety to gather to our routine agenda. The weekly perform the evaluation service meeting. My fellow members on the Satpol PP, whom I am proud of. We have passed another week fight with various dynamic in the fight our that is and function in enforcing regional regulation, maintaining public order, public safety, and protecting the community are no easy tasks. Every day, the image of the local government is a stake through our attitude and action on the front lines. Therefore, the weekly evaluation meeting is not merely a routine formality or our opportunity to blame an order. This meeting is a space for us to 1. Review the real result of our work. How effective have our enforcement operation been? How quickly have we responded to public complaints? 2. Identify bottlenecks in the field. What obstacles are our personnel facing in the fight, whether related to citizen resistance, regulation, or infrastructure, so we can find solutions together in hierarchical manner. 3. Maintain the institution of dignity, evaluate our internal affairs, ensuring that every personnel remains within the SOP, prioritizing human and persuasive action while remaining authoritative and firm. I extend my biggest appreciation to all personnel. We have worked hard this week, whether in asset security, regional patrol, or to PMKS or people with disabilities. orders for 24-hour dati to secure without object at Pasar Baru, Juanda. However, we must not be complacent. The dynamic in Bekasi City are moving very quickly. We still have some homework to complete, such as the remaining 3 vendors of Pasar Baru. So, we must not be complacent in the enforcing the rules. I hope that is today meeting the head of division, section head, and functional unit can present their achievement objective. Please convey any obstacles so we can formulate a more tactical action plan for next week. Finally, with the word Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I officially declare the Bekasi City Civil Service Police Unit Performance Evaluation meeting open. Happy meeting. Please maintain unity, stay healthy, and always priority safety will on dati. May Allah grant us the guidance and guidance and peace be given you. Thank you.
Amin. With the second agenda, the presentation of weekly reports by each division. First, we invite to the Development and Guidance Division to deliver its report, which will be presented by Mrs. Dian and team. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Especially Mr. Head of the Civil Service Police Unit, Mr. Sutari. We work next to report on the activities carried out by the government division of during the past week. The activities include and number 1, internal discipline coaching for personnel and improving awareness and compliance with official regulation. And number 2, socialization of code ethics as personnel and effort to reform integrity and professional in the field and within the office development. And number 3, we will also have community guidance and outreach activities. These activities are divided into 2. And namely, guidance of street vendors and socialization of regional regulation and regional health regulation. Mr. Tomo, please to report on the activities by the development division during. Please.
Before I explain the activity of development division, please allow me introduce myself. My name is Iswas Tomo. My position Pol PP Ali pertama. My replacement at bidang pembinaan atau development division. My development division one capacity building for city municipality police for personnel. This program consists of education of training activity and will enhance the capacities of Satpol PP personnel. This degree to broaden their knowledge and understanding of regional regulation atau yang disebut perda, and regional head regulation atau perkada, enable the perform the justice more activity and professionality. Number 2. Coordination of public peace and order with the city. The activities involve the dissemination and socialization of regulation atau perda, regulation perda to business operator and street vendors. Their object is increase the interest and understanding of available regulation. There be promotion completed and helping to main public peace and order throughout the city. So that's all I would like to share to activity of development division. Thank you for attention.
Next to report and Mrs. Dwi and Mrs. Kasih, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Good morning and greetings to everyone. The Chief of the Bekasi City Civil Service Police Unit, Mrs. Secretary, Head of Division, Head of Section, and Functional Official within the Bekasi City Civil Service Police Unit. I would like to request your permission to report on the activities of the Public Complaints and Personal Development Section. Personal Development Section activities are planned for the 1 week of July. Regarding the public complaint, there has been a complaint filed regarding an alleged violation of the Code of Ethics by a member. The member will be summoned for questioning regarding the complaint. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I provide guidance and outreach to the community in the area of community and personal development. I have two activities. Number 1, guidance for street vendor in the sub-district of our Bekasi City. And number 2, socializing of regional health regulation. Issue: street vendors are seen selling on sidewalk, road shoulder, and along the river banks. There are illegal leads by suspended individuals from of daily fees charged to street vendor. Solution: follow-up action to Civil Service Police Unit will issue a warning to street vendor not to sell on sidewalk, road shoulder, and along the river bank in accordance with local regulations regarding illegal leads. Vendors are advised to report them to the Bekasi City Government Call Center 112 for further action. That's what my report. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Development and Guidance Division for the report. And next, we will invite the Regional Regulation Enforcement Division to present its report, which will be presented by Mr. Rafiuddin and team. Time is yours.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Nurulazina. Morning. I want to say honorable students of the Bekasi City Civil Service Police Unit. This week, the local regulation enforcement division is providing assistance for the smoke-free zone program, which will be visited and evaluated by a team from West Java province. The purpose of this visit is to assist the practice of this location based on the smoke-free zone campaign indicator, while simulation loosely distribution including distribution banner, sticker, and no smoking sign to support the implementation of the smoke-free zone. The visit focus on several key locations, including number 1, Duta Harapan Lake, number 2, Public Junior High School, 42 Bekasi, number 3, Marlot, number 4, Al-Azhar Grand Moscow. Number 5, France Weekend. Number 6, Jatikaya Public Health Center. That concludes the report I can submit. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Miss Nurul. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Peace and prosperity be upon us all. Honorable Secretary of the Bekasi City Civil Service Police Units, heads of divisions, heads of sections, below functional officers, and field coordinators. My name is Abu Salim, representing the functional officers of the Regional Regulations Enforcement Divisions. I would like to report on the activities we carried out during the past weeks as follows. Number 1, on Monday and Tuesday, June 22 and 23, 2026, we were assigned to assist the Smoke-Free Area Task Force in conducting a series of assessments of the designed smoke-free areas at 4 locations, include Duta Harapan Lake, North Bekasi District, State Junior High School, Medan Satria District, PT Arnott, Medan Satria District, and Resik Istiqomah Park, East Bekasi District. Number 2, on Tuesday and Wednesday, June 23 and 24, 2026, we carried out outpost enforcement monitoring activities following the clearance of street vendors along Insinyur Haji Juanda Street, Pasar Baru, Bekasi, to ensure that public order was maintained and that the area remained under control. All activities were carried out smoothly, safely, and in conducive manner. This concludes the report that I would like to present. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
For the report, and following that, we invite the Community Protection Division to deliver its report to Mr. Aziz. Time is yours.
Thank you, Ms. Aziz. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Ms. Secretary, Ms. Amsian. Thank you for getting here today. This week's activities in the Limas sector include securing the new market after cleaning up street vendors. The next activity in the Limas sector is securing pasos-pasu object at 5 monitoring points. The next activity in the Limas sector is visit outside the city of Garut to combat the head of the public order agency in preserving and out from the Governor of West Java, Mr. Teddy Mulyadi. And the next activity in the Limas sector is visiting the Limas officer who did. Next, Mr. Dimitra.
Thank you, everybody, and the Secretary. On the occasion, I would like to clarify the condition of the Limas member across 5 Sheikh urban village. Last night, a member in the Jati Keramat Limas present a wife to a high attack. And last week, Mustika Jaya Civil the basic community protection member also present away in the care accident. We hope the decision certain mass member rest in rest. Amin ya Allah ya Rabbal Alamin. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, head of the Bekasi City Civil Service Police Unit, respected secretary. Allow me, good morning everyone.
Morning.
I'm the head of training and mobilization of the Bekasi City Satlimas to convey this week. I get publicity material on social media utilization to the staff of the city of Bekasi's regional Limas created a schedule of Limas member weekend in 5 masuk areas for the month of July 2026, helping secure the Pasar Baru Bekasi after Insinyur Haji Juanda State was cleared. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We still have 2 divisions to deliver its report. Next, we invite the Public Order and Community Peace Division to present its report. We invite Mr. Abdullah to deliver the report.
This meeting. On this occasion, I would like to present one regarding the implementation of the public market reorganization and enforcement program at Pasar Baru Bekasi. In support of the Bekasi City Government program to bring an orderly, safe, comfortable and competitive trading area. Enforcement and improvement activity have been carried out the Pasar Baru Bekasi area. These activities aim to restore the proper function of public facilities that have been used inappropriately, regulation trading activity in a more orderly manner, and create a cleaner and more comfortable market environment for the community. The activities began when personal meetings, assembly and delivery of directive regarding implementation mechanism of the Pasar Baru Bekasi reorganization program. Subsequently, socialization and persuasive approach were conditioned to a vendor who were still until request drainage channel and other public facilities as trading area. Continue, Mr. Sen.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and may peace and prosperity be upon us all. The Honorable the Secretary of Bekasi City Civil Service Police Unit, Mrs. Amsia, the respected all of structural officer of the Bekasi City Civil Service Police Unit, all of field coordinator or vice of field coordinator, and all of my friends, all of functional officer of the Bekasi City Civil Service Unit that I'm sorry I cannot mention one by one, but that doesn't reduce my respect. Before I continue our presentation, please accept our apologies but of our supervisors, Mr. Robi and Mr. Aldo cannot attend this morning's briefing. They have just finished their security duty at Pasar Baru Bekasi, which lasted from last night until this morning. Now, I will continue our presentation. Activity results. 1. The enforcement and improvement activities at Pasar Baru Bekasi were carried out safely, orderly, and successfully. 2. The number of vendors operating in prohibited areas decreased, resulting in improved accessibility and convenience for the public. 3. Traffic conditions around the Pasar Baru Bekasi area become smoother and more organized. 4. Vendors demonstrated increased awareness of the importance of complying with market reorganization regulations. 5. A cleaner, more organized, safer, and more comfortable market environment was created for both vendors and visitors. 6. Stronger synergy among government agencies was established in supporting the reorganization and revitalization of the trading area within Bekasi City. In conclusion, the enforcement and improvement activities at Pasar Baru Bekasi were successfully implemented in a safe, orderly, and conducive manner. These activities represent a concrete effort by the Bekasi City government to restore the function of public space, improve the quality of the market environment, and establish a more orderly and well-regulated trading system. Through these efforts, it is expected that Pasar Baru Bekasi will become a trading area that is safe, clean, comfortable, and beneficial for both vendors and the community, in line with the vision of Bekasi City as an orderly, progressive, and prosperous city. This concludes my report for evaluation purposes and as information for the leadership. That's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Division to deliver its report, which will be present. First one is Mrs. A from the Financial Department and Mr. Tommy from Archive Department. Time is yours.
Participating disbursement have been made yet the Siscon pointed is ready. Is already ending with the issue causing the Garda and coordination division to have requested nothing at all to that the budget allocation for office salary remains at zero despite the first quarter having already passing. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Respected Secretary, respected Head of Division, respected Head of Section, Functional Officer, and all meeting participants. In order to support administrative order and ensure accountability in government administration within the Bekasi City Municipal Police Service, several management activities were carried out throughout June 2026 in accordance with the status and function of ASIFAL management and in compliance with the applicable law and regulation, including Law Number 43 of 2009 concerning ASIF and its implementing regulation. The activities conducted included organization ASIFAL document based on classification, ASIF order, year and type of activity within each specific union. In addition, active and inadequate records were stored archives that had reached their retention period were identified, and archival lists were updated for record promotion for transfer of discussion in accordance with their record retention schedule. As part of these activities, monitoring and coordination were also carried out with all processing units to ensure the completeness of archival administration, including file arrangement, file index, official memory, and handover record. In general, the implementation of archival activities during Unit 2026 proceeded well. However, the process were still identified, including activities that had not been properly organized.
Will be learned from our head of personal substitution to Mr. Cahya. Time is yours.
Oh, sorry. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Thank you very much. Peace be upon us all. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Head of Division and Section Head, Functional Person, Squad Commander, and all personnel of the Bekasi City Public Order Agency Satpol PP, present and online. Public Order Satpol PP Weekly Personnel Performance Report. 1. Attention and Personnel Summary. Total personnel 621. Attendance rate 70%. Sick leave 320 individual. Excessive absent 6 individual, follow up by direct supervision in underfed. 3. Employee development and division and discipline. Disciplinary infraction handled by direct supervisor. Corrective action, verbal punishment issued through personnel training, technical credit, Bintek, Collaborative War 52, Public Order Agency personnel. 4. File messenger. Personnel shortage over help meet in the location name area. The main facilities number of official resident request file. Weather constraint, rain handling, afternoon patrol. 5. Follow up plan at TL. Development or floating operation reschedule patrol ship. Inspector or equipment refer request and credited setting for the market facilities. 3. Certification summon personnel with equipment and services. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you to all presenters for the informative reports that have been delivered. The next agenda may become even more interesting because our secretary will allow to one of functional officer to deliver their report, and maybe anyone who's like to deliver your report. Stand up.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sukma. I am from Skill. functional position in the field of public order under leadership Mr. Aziz Muslim, SA, MSI. Hereby, I submit report activities that have been carried out this week as follows. Number 1, personnel development, physical and mental guidance, along with basic training have been conducted for civil protection members in the working area.
Panjang kayaknya nih.
Number 2, security patrol, regular monitoring and patrol have been carried out to maintain public order and environmental security. Number 3, facility inspection, check on the condition of work, equipment, and infrastructure for disaster management have been completed. All activity run smoothly and according to be scheduled plan. The full report is started. For attention, thank you. Sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Hadi Zikrullah. I serve in division responsible for the enforcement of local regulation. Thank you for the time and opportunity granted to me. Today, I would like to report on the outcome of the technical training conducted from June 8 to June 12, 2026. The training was organized by the Ministry of Home Affairs in collaboration with the GIS Training Center located in Gunung Putri, West Java. I participate in class focused on public speaking and service excellence. The material conference include technique for speaking in public to ensure that the message I convey is well received by the audience. It's the hope that this training in public speaking and service excellence will help improve the image of the public order agency. Moving forward, the agency will prioritize persuasive measures and negotiation rather than resorting to force. That concludes my reports. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Amsaruddin. Functional position terakhir. Fungsional position that is location wisata air Kalimalang, Jalan Kiai Haji Nurali. 1. General duties. Conduct routine patrols and inspection of all social and public facility area. B. Monitor security, order and cleanliness of wisata air Kalimalang. C. Report any damage, violation or potential hazard immediately to supervisor. 2. Main duties: maintain public order, tranquility, and enforce local regulation in public and social facility areas. 3. Specific tasks: E. Patrol and monitor compliance with local regulation in tourist area. B. Prevent and handle street vendors, illegal parking, vagrant, C. Secure public facilities from damage and misuse. Thus is submit this report on public facility security at Wisata Air Kalimalang, Jalan Kiai Haji Nur Ali. I hope this report can be useful. Thank you for attention.
To all participants for your responses, reports, and active participation, we hope that the outcomes of today's meeting will provide valuable insight for evaluation and serve as a basis for informing our performance and public service. This concludes all agenda items for today's weekly meeting. Thank you for your attention and active participation. Have a productive day and enjoy the rest of your activities. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Please and always priority safety well or dirty. Tetap kompak, jaga kesehatan dan tetap kita jaga apa yang menjadi tugas-tugas kita. Amin. Terus, Bapak dan Ibu sekalian.